Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Galassi and I work at University of Bologna. I work in the SPOC 8, the one concerning pervasive AI of the FAIR project. And I'm involved also in the transversal project 2, with the one concerning vision, languages, and multimodal challenges. This work, which is called Promoting Fairness and Diversity in Speech Datasets for Mental Health and Neurological Disorder Research, is a work we have conducted at University of Bologna in collaboration with University of Uppsala. Nowadays, data play a fundamental role in the development of AI systems, but most of the focus of research is often on the modeling of the system and the evaluation of their performance. The data collection process and the impact on society are often overlooked. This problem is especially important in sensitive domains. In our work, we decided to focus on the domain of mental health and neurological disorder, and in particular to address the domain of speech dataset. The objective of our study is to understand what are the possible aspects that can be improved in this domain with the purpose of promoting fairness and diversity, and more in general, encourage a more responsible approach to research. Our contribution is twofold. First of all, we create a list of 7 desiderata for building speech dataset in this domain. Our list includes both aspects that are relevant for societal or ethical impacts and aspects that are more technical or are specific of the domain. We have also created a checklist that can be used to analyze existing and future research according to our desiderata. Our second contribution is a survey. We charted the available speech dataset for this domain and analyzed them according to our checklist. Our analysis considers 3 dimensions or perspectives, which are the target issue, the genre of the discourse, and the source of the speech content. This is a brief summary of the 7 desiderata we have outlined in our research. They concern informed consent, data storage and security, data privacy, accountability, the quality of data and their validation and the maintainability of the resources, the discourse genre, and finally, any aspect concerning fairness, bias, and diversity in the data. For what concerns our survey, we analyzed 36 speech datasets and compared them against our checklist. We use 3 dimensions of analysis, which are the target issues. So we make a distinction between datasets that target depression, anxiety, dementia, Alzheimer's, bipolar disorder, somatic symptoms, stress, and Parkinson. We make a distinction between datasets that use different discourse genres. For example, clinical interviews against spontaneous reading, spontaneous speech, speech tasks, or semantic fluency test. And finally, we've also focused on a specific source of content, such as online media and crowdsourcing. Our analysis pointed out several key areas for improvement. For example, many of the examined papers do not report information regarding informed consent. But moreover, other aspects such as data storage, privacy, quality of the data, validation of the data, and maintainability of the resources have even lower coverage. We have found out also that these limitations do not seem to be equally distributed among the domains, but some of them are more prominent in dataset for certain issue or based on certain genre of discourse. Finally, we believe that our survey can also be used as a reference to novice researchers that approach this domain for the first time. Thank you for your time. If you found this topic interesting and you want to know more, I encourage you to check our repository and read our paper, which is currently under review.